Hello guys, my name is Francisco Manso. I work for PNF Machine here in Turlock, California. And a couple months ago we got this vacuum system for you guys. And I came up with a new idea how to make my own vacuum plate. And this is the vacuum plate that I made. As you see, here is one of the parts that we make over here. We make a lot of this kind of parts over here. And with the original plate, doesn't work this part of it because as you see, it has a hole in the middle. And if you put a hole in the middle, you're gonna lose the vacuum in the original plate. But here is mine. Let's turn around the air. Here. It's really strong. You're not gonna move it. It's really strong. And this is how to make the plate. Again, we make a lot of these kind of plates, bigger. Okay. This plate is 15 inches by 15 inches by 1 inch thick. Okay. And how to make this plate is on 5 different chambers for the vacuum. Here's chamber number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And each chamber has its own hole for the vacuum, to create the vacuum. As you see in the part that I made, I have hole in the middle. So that means I can use the chamber number 1. That's what I plugged in. Each chamber has the hole where you can also plug as you need it. Like in this case, with this part, I don't need the chamber number 1, so I only need the chamber number 2. Here it is. So I have 5 different chambers again, and also I put these 4 holes to bolt down the plane to the vacuum system because I got a problem with the original. Okay, because as I say, this plate works fine, but the problem that I have with this plate is the next. If you're gonna make this part and into this plate, you can do it, but you gotta put this part off center, and it's gonna work because you can put the gasket around it. But what if the part is bigger? You can use this. And also another problem that I found with this plate is I was working making a different part, and I was cutting the plate, I was cutting the part, and I lose the vacuum. The part moves, so I don't know what happened, but the thing is that I lose the vacuum. And my end will start cutting and dig into the plate. And so I got a skin cut again. I cut it 50 thousandths. That's what I cut into the plate. So what is next? I gotta recut all this this plate because I lose the thickness, I lose the depth that I need for the gasket. That is one of the problems, two of the problems that I have with this. That's why in my plate I put 4 holes to bolt down into the vacuum system. That way, if I lose pressure, if I lose the vacuum or something, it's not gonna move the plate. It's just gonna lose the part. Okay, now I'm gonna explain to you guys how I make my plate. Here's how I make it. Let's take it all off the machine to show you the work that I did in the back because I don't wanna anything to leak the vacuum. I wanna keep all the power of the vacuum. Okay. Let's take it out. This is the 4 bolts that I use it to bolt down into the vacuum system. That's one of the problems that I got with the original that doesn't have this counterboard, these holes. And as you see, I also using the gaskets, but I'm using only the squares. I don't have to go like the original, creating funny shapes. Um, okay, here we go. Okay guys, here we are again. This over here, what I use to plug each chamber That's easy as this. And the middle of this chamber, this one over here, I just tap this hole and put a countersink, and this is what I'm using to plug the hole. I'm just using a quarter 20 bolt flathead, and I put this countersink over here to plug the hole, and works really good. And as you see, I got 5 different ones. In each chamber I have one. Okay, I'm gonna show you now what I did in the back. Yes. Okay. Here we, over here we have again the 5 different chambers, and where is the hole for to create the vacuum rack. And as you see, I put in the back a bigger chamfer. That way, it's gonna help more to the vacuum, to create more vacuum on each chamber. Also, I have these bushings that is gonna help to locate over there in the vacuum system. And here we got these 4 holes, the 4 holes that I'm using to bolt it down into the vacuum plate, into the vacuum system, sorry. And also, I cut a groove and put a gasket. The reason that I put a gasket into here is because the bolts goes into this chamber. When we bolt it down, it's into this chamber, right? In chamber number 4. So I don't want to lose any pressure. I don't want to lose the vacuum pressure. So that's why when we bolt it down, we have the hole, and I don't want to lose any pressure again. That's why I put a gasket around in each one of these holes. And that's pretty much. Okay guys, that's it. That's what I did with the vacuum plate, and works really good for us. I said works better than the original, and that's it. Thank you so much, and I will be waiting.